for your time. Thank you for coming to our simple party. But inshallah will be good memory for all of us. Every beginning is there is ending. People was welcome, now we will say goodbye. Doesn't mean goodbye is we will end our story, but that is new start chapter life in Leah journey.
I mean, pray for me. Tunay.
Stay here only 3 years because not like me more than 1 decade.
Almost 20 years.
Yes.
That's why I got here.
Represent Korea also. Maybe during we are working in King Pahat, we make mistake. Apologize. We are not only family. We are not only co-worker, but we are family.
Yes.
And then nobody perfect, nobody's correct. Everyone make mistake. To ending my speech today, we say sorry for Leah, and inshallah we will pray together for all of us. We will be best future, best condition, and we are so thankful we will be Leah part in our memory. This is not my coworker, but she is my friend. And we meet accidentally in front of cafeteria. You are Indonesia. And then we say yes, maybe because we know our face.
Yes.
Thank you, Ate, for coming.
Thank you.
Inshallah, we will continue our communication and keep in touch. Don't forget, if Brunei is more better than Saudi for us.